Let us study a few more examples here. The next one is CH2, CH2, and there are two hydroxy group attached, one each carried by the carbon atom. Now, this is the first example wherein we have taken more than one hydroxy group attached. Now, if you go to see according to a common nomenclature, the names which are given to these compound does not follow any rules. So here, this particular compound gets the name glycol. This is glycol. Whereas according to IUPAC nomenclature, it will be taking the name ethane for the word root. On the first carbon atom as well as on the second carbon atom, I have hydroxy group attached. So there is 1, 2, and since there are two hydroxy group attached, it takes up with di, di and ol of the functional group. Hence, the name of the compound is ethane 1, 2 diol. Ethane 1, 2 diol. Let's take up with the next one. This is a very well known example. CH2, CH, CH2, and each of the carbon atom is carrying a hydroxy group here. The name of the compound according to common nomenclature is glycerol. Okay, very often we have come across this particular name. Whereas according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is 3 number carbon carbon compound. So here the word root will be propan. First, second and the third carbon atom is carrying the hydroxy group. So it is 1, 2, 3. There are 3 such hydroxy group and hence tri, TRI and OL for the functional group. Hence the name of the compound is propan 1, 2, 3 triol. Let's take some examples which are falling in the aliphatic alcohols, but these are cyclic compounds. So we have this example over here wherein you can see it is made up of 6 number of carbon atom and one of them is carrying the hydroxy group. Since it is a cyclic compound, we are going to make use of a term cyclo, and next it is made up of 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be cyclohexanol. Let's take few more examples. This one over here, this is made up of 5 number of carbon atom and I have 2 hydroxy groups over here. Now how do I number it? The first one over here will be numbered as 1. So if I go this way, it comes 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I count this way, it comes 1, 2, 3. So which one is preferred? 1, 4 or 1, 3? Yes, you are right. We are going to take up with 1, 3. So it will be cyclopentane or cyclopent 1, 3 diol. There are 2 now. So it will be diol. Let's take the next one. This is again a cyclopentane ring wherein one of the derivative is a methyl group and the other one is carrying the hydroxy group. Certainly, the hydroxy group will be given the least number, that is number 1, and this one will be given number 2. So the second one is carrying the methyl group. Hence, the name of the compound will be 2-methyl cyclopentanol. 2-methyl cyclopentanol.